The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for Miller County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Lafayette County in southwestern Arkansas, northeastern Cass County in northeastern Texas, east central Bowie County in northeastern Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:54 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Brightstar, or 9 miles northeast of Atlanta, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Falco around 6:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. General around 6:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Mandeville around 6:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fort Lynn, Pleasant Hill, Bloomberg, Mount Pleasant, and Domino. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: in Texas, Bowie and Cass, and the following counties: in Arkansas, Lafayette and Miller,